Welcome, everyone. This is Roy from Financial Intake, and today we're diving deep into Reddit's Q3 2024 earnings report. By the end of this video, you'll understand Reddit's financial performance, key growth drivers, and the exciting path forward. If this sounds interesting, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for all the insights you need. Reddit reported a 68% increase in revenue year over year, reaching $348.4 million, with GAAP profitability for the first time. They achieved a net income of $29.9 million, with a net margin of 8.6%. Advertising revenue also grew 56% year over year to $315.1 million, reflecting Reddit's increasing value as an advertising platform. Reddit also saw a remarkable surge in daily active users this quarter, with DAUs reaching an all-time high of 97.2 million, up 47% from last year. Key financial metrics. Advertising revenue. Advertising continues to be the primary revenue driver, with strong growth across various channels and verticals, including a high double-digit increase in performance revenue. Reddit has diversified its advertising base, reaching over 80% year-over-year growth in its scaled channel, which includes mid-market and SMB customers. Other revenue. Reddit's other revenue, primarily from data licensing agreements, grew 547% to $33.2 million, a significant milestone that highlights their potential beyond ad revenue. Gross margin. Reddit achieved an impressive gross margin of 90.1%, up 280 basis points from the previous year, underscoring its efficiency in scaling operations. Adjusted EBITDA. Adjusted EBITDA reached $94.1 million, with a margin of 27%, showing strong operational efficiency and cost management. ARPU, average revenue per unique. RPU increased by 14% to $3.58, highlighting Reddit's growing monetization efforts per user. In Q3 2024, Reddit demonstrated strong cash flow performance, generating $71.6 million in operating cash flow, an increase of $79.3 million from the prior year. This robust cash generation underscores Reddit's ability to fund its operations and growth initiatives from within without needing external resources. Free cash flow for the quarter reached $70.3 million, supported by disciplined capital expenditures of only $1.4 million, under 1% of total revenue, providing flexibility for reinvestment in product development and strategic growth. Reddit closed the quarter with $1.74 billion in cash equivalents, and marketable securities, positioning the company well for ongoing expansion. This prudent approach to cash management, balancing low expenditures with targeted investments, allows Reddit to maintain financial stability while pursuing its long-term goals. Reddit faces several challenges and risks as it continues to grow. The platform is dealing with increasing regulatory scrutiny, especially around data privacy and content moderation, which could lead to higher operational costs and impact its business model. In the competitive digital advertising market, Reddit must compete with major players like Google, Meta, and TikTok, challenging sustained ad revenue growth if advertisers shift their budgets. The company's success relies heavily on user engagement and retention. Any decline in user activity could directly affect ad impressions and revenue. As Reddit expands internationally through initiatives like machine translation, it faces rising costs associated with localization and infrastructure, which might pressure profit margins if the expected engagement does not materialize. Additionally, macroeconomic uncertainty could reduce advertising budgets, potentially impacting Reddit's revenue growth. Balancing these factors will be key to Reddit's continued success and stability. What next? In Q4 2024, Reddit projects revenue between $385 million and $400 million, with adjusted EBITDA of $110 million to $125 million, emphasizing its commitment to growth and profitability. Expanding its global reach, Reddit plans to extend machine translation to over 30 countries by the end of 2025, following success in markets like France, Spain, Germany, Brazil, and Italy. This initiative is designed to attract new users and advertisers by making Reddit content accessible worldwide. To enhance advertising effectiveness, Reddit is advancing its ad capabilities with AI-driven placements and improved conversation ads that foster deeper connections between brands and users. On the user engagement front, Reddit is introducing new features, such as an upgraded Ask Me Anything (AMA) format, to drive interaction and offer more value to advertisers. With a high 90.1% gross margin and positive cash flow, Reddit ensures efficiency in operations, supporting long-term initiatives without added cost pressure. Additionally, Reddit's data licensing business, which grew by 547%, is establishing itself as a valuable revenue stream, with plans to develop new partnerships beyond traditional advertising. In summary, Reddit's Q3 report shows strong revenue growth, improved profitability, and effective user engagement strategies that are setting the company up for sustained success. Make sure to check out our other earnings breakdowns for insights on the tech sector, and if you're curious about Reddit's next steps, subscribe and stay tuned for more.